Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jandira and I make videos on luxury unboxings such as this one, luxury travel, come shopping with me videos. If that sounds interesting to you, I hope you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified of when I upload videos next. Today we're going to be doing a very exciting unboxing for the Bottega Venetas that I purchased in collaboration with my Instagram followers. It was a lot of fun and I can't wait to show you guys what I actually picked up. I did a come shopping with me vlog on my Instagram story. It was basically me running around Bottega Veneta. I had a date night with my husband the other day and I wanted some heels. I wanted some new heels, something fresh for my closet. And I've been talking about picking up some Bottegas forever and I just kept putting it off. I couldn't decide on which ones I wanted. So basically I kind of used you guys to help me figure it out on Instagram, which was so fun. I loved doing the challenge. I would say the only thing that I will have to think about next time if I do something like that is that a lot of my followers, a lot of my subscribers are in a different time zone. So like, you know, I'm right now currently in Miami in the US and a lot of my followers are from like the UK or you know, Africa. And so by the time the votes were put in, the votes completely changed from the time of shopping to the next day. So this is basically the votes that were put in at the time of shopping, and I kind of, you know, put in my own 2 cents as well of like what I actually wanted. As the day progressed, in the next 24 hours, the votes completely changed. But I will put in the votes for you guys to see, and I've kind of just talked you through my train of thought on why I bought these purchases. I'm also gonna show you guys some really cute outfits I'm gonna put together with the items that I purchased. So we're gonna put together a few looks. Everything I bought from Zara, I will link it below for you guys. I'll put the reference numbers on the description box, so make sure you look at the description box. I'll also link some shoes that are a little similar, but they're kind of like dupes of the Bottegas that I purchased, depending on like what budget you are. So just make sure you look in the description box below if you are interested in knowing where any of these items are from. Okay, so let's get started. To be perfectly honest, I did buy these last week and I have worn them since, but I put them in the box for you guys. I'm going to show clips of when I did the first unboxing because this is my 4th time filming this. Thankfully, my little munchkin is asleep, so now I can talk to you guys freely, because the last 3 times I tried filming this, he was literally jumping up and down all over this video, and I put it on my stories, and that's why I'm so sorry I didn't upload a video last week. But anyways, let me talk and unbox at the same time. So this is what the shoes come in, or this is what they look like. And when you open the box, let me hold it up like this. As you can see, someone's been through my purchases. But yeah, it comes with the little soles in case they wear off, so I could replace them. Also the dust bag, and these are really cool. I love them. And I've seen girls like take this and like make like DIY things with it, and I think that's so neat. But that's a dust bag. And I'm also going to insert footage of like when I actually did the first unboxing, when the shoes were like brand new and still beautiful, because these are worn on the bottom now, but I put them in the box for you guys. And this is the first pair of shoes that I purchased. So I got the Intrecciato in the peach color, but let me see what they actually call it, because I think it's like a different color. I'll put it up here for you guys. So that is the reference number in case you need it, but this is papaya, so they call it papaya, and that's one of them, and that is the other. And I got these in a size 36, and that's what they look like. And I know you guys are looking at me thinking, oh my gosh, these are ridiculous. Ooh. Also, the color is a little intense, not for everyone, but this is such a nice warm tone and it looks so good against my, you know, tan skin. I think it's just such a cute shoe. And I know it's a little much. It's not very classic. It's not something that I will probably be wearing for like the rest of my life. Definitely not an item that if you're on a budget, I would recommend to purchase because it is such a trendy heel. But I wanted a trendy heel. I wanted to add something fun and young to my closet, and so that is why I purchased these. Now, I know that they're not safe, but I think that because they are so bold and just crazy, they are going to work with so much in my closet, especially for summer. I can see myself wearing these with greens, with blues, especially with like nice, beautiful baby blues. Also, of course, with orange and peach and colors that kind of complement it. I think it would look great with pinks and whites, just neutrals that I love. So I think these would be just amazing. They would go with jeans. They would go with you know, beautiful tailored pants, also skirts, obviously. And you guys know I love and I'm obsessed with like my flirty frilly dresses. I think these would just go so well with frilly dresses. I guess I could show you the bottom, and this is what it looks like. It's made in Italy. That's my first pair, and let me do the unboxing for my next one. Okay, so for the second pair of shoes, again, they just come in the same box, same packaging. This is what the little booklet, it talks about Bottega. Same stuff, you guys already saw. And ta-da! The vote, you guys, for this one was so hot. It was, ooh, the lighting. It was between this color, as you guys can see, I went for the beige. So I think it was like 49% wanted the beige. Actually, what was the number? Oh, I can't see because I'm using my phone, but yeah, the vote was really close. But basically, I went with a beige, and the reason why I went with the beige in the stretch sandal, so it's a very basic strappy Bottega sandal. You guys are familiar with this one. You've seen it everywhere, I'm sure. It's because I already did this color. It was between the beige, pink, or black, and I really wanted an everyday neutral. And I went with the beige because it does match my Chanel bag, and I just really prefer a beige to a white against my skin, if I'm being honest. There's that. So we did a neutral and we did a really fun pop color full shoe, and these are my two purchases, you guys. So let's get into the outfits. Let's try these babies on and you guys can see what they look like and how I'm going to style them. Okay, so the first look is this gorgeous little retro number from Zara. It is definitely a size too small. I need to get a bigger size. But with Zara, you can't try things on in the fitting room. It makes it a little hard. So please bear with me. I am pairing this with a satin skirt and my Bottega sandals, which are just adorable. And I love this look. I think the silk and flirty fabric, I think the satin fabric is flirty and very chic, and it kind of balances the chunky shoe. So this is the first look, and I'm pairing this with my YSL. Okay, so my next look is this little outfit set from Zara. It is a maxi skirt and it goes right below my ankles. I love that it hits right with the strap for the Bottega sandal skirts. So it gives a little bit of just, I don't know, a peep on the foot. I think it's super cute paired with my Louis V basket bag because it matches the beige from the shoe. And my husband's like, this is not a bag to wear on day to day. I completely disagree. I think that this Louis V basket bag is entirely a day bag. I also paired it with my Blue Bebe sunnies, my white sunnies, and I think this look is just so chic. Again, middies and knit skirts are so in for late summer, early fall. This one is very airy. The breathable fabric is perfect for summer heat, but it's also nice and cozy for early fall kind of. Okay, so this look I love. It's again with the vest that I wore. I think I wore it like 2 times already, but basically the vest paired with a mini tweed dress. The tweed dress has buttons on the side. It has like gold buttons, so it's kind of cute on its own, but I really like the layering. I think it just adds a little bit more to the outfit. Again, I have it paired with my nude Bottega stretch sandals. I also paired it with my Chanel Jumbo. I think it's just so chic. It's very flirty, very young, very moody, and I love it. This is again great for like a day of shopping, a day of just like running errands, walking around. It's cute. I don't know what else to say. Okay, so my next look, this is actually a midi skirt that I just used as a dress. As you guys can see, it's actually quite maxi, so it just stops right below my knee. But I paired it with Louis Vuitton bag. I also paired it with my Christian Dior belt and this vest that has the buttons. One of the things I don't like about buttons when you buy them like Zara or H&M is that they're all gold, but these are actually white inside. The only thing I don't like is that this button keeps falling off and it's really bugging me. So that would be something that I'd fix if I actually kept this. And this is what this looks like with my Bottega stretch sandals. I love this look. I think it's so elegant. Again, chic. Something that I could still wear in this like late fall, early fall to late fall. I think I wouldn't die in this outfit because it is sleeveless, and I absolutely love it with my stretch sandals. This dress is not from Zara, but I found it at a local boutique and I thought it was just such a cute dress that I could use to show you guys how I would wear this during the daytime. I would definitely pair it with something cute and flirty like this for a more casual, just girls brunch or maybe even a day of shopping. Sometimes I like to be flirty and this dress is perfect. I paired it with my Chanel Jumbo. I think it's so cute, and also my Chanel earrings. And I think this dress is just the perfect. It picks up the peach from the Bottega sandals so nicely, pairs beautifully, and I love the contrast of like the flirty feminine skirt against the kind of hard and structured boxy Bottega shoe. So I love this look. Definitely something I could wear on a day to day, just going out, running errands, shopping. Well, not running errands, shopping, going out for brunch, and even for like a dinner, like an early dinner, I would totally wear this. What do you guys think? This is my video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you had fun shopping with me. Let me know if you want me to do more of these kinds of videos because I had a lot of fun. I loved doing the polls on Instagram. It was my favorite part. Just seeing y'all's reactions, the DMs that I got were so funny and so good. I wanted the Jody bag, but I couldn't decide on actually like the color I wanted. So that's something that I could maybe do with you guys as well. And also the size. So I tried the smaller Jody bag, and I'll insert pictures here. And it was just too small. I felt like I had to baby the bag because I had to hold it like either here or, you know, just hold it handheld. And with my baby being a toddler and wanting to be held literally all the time, he's always like, "Mommy, hugs." I didn't want a bag that I had to hold in my hand all day, as well as like if I need my hands for my baby. So I think I'm gonna try the bigger size, or maybe even the smaller pouches. Since I was in a hurry, I just kind of bought the shoes and left, but we will definitely be going back to Bottega and purchasing some more things. I love the store, and I love the brand. Honestly, I'm obsessed with the green. You guys, I left those green ones behind because I know everybody hates them, but they're so cute, and sometimes I think about them. There are a few other items from Bottega that I still like really want. Like the silver pouch, it just came out. It's new season, I think, for fall. It's beautiful and it's trending everywhere. So if you can get your hands on it, pick it up because they will sell out. And I think they go perfect with the Gianvita Rossi, their little strappy sandals that are coming out as well. The clear Amina Muaddi's, so beautiful. You should definitely pick up this beautiful Bottega clutch because I'm seeing it everywhere on Instagram right now, and it's just so adorable. So there's so much. We could sit here and ramble. I could sit here and ramble and talk about this all day, but I know you guys are probably done with this video. If you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also the notification bell so you're notified of when I upload videos next. I love you guys, and I will see you on my next one.